even before Google demonstrated its frighteningly believable and controversial duplex AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning was already a big topic on smartphones. But with very few exceptions, AI on smartphones have so far been limited to one common use case: photography. You might be tired of hearing about it every new phone launch event, but sooner than later, it's going to cease being just a buzzword. Pretty soon, camera AI will be something that all but the cheapest entry-level smartphone will have as a basic feature. Just like dual cameras at its most basic, camera AI on smartphones is used for scene recognition. You fire up the camera app, point your phone at your subject, and it will automatically tune the settings for the best possible shot, depending on what category the subject falls under and other factors like lighting conditions. It's pretty much the camera's mode on steroids, but that belies the heavy computational processing that happens, especially even before the camera app is installed on a smartphone. Like any other AI, there are two parts to the process. The first part happens at the manufacturer's or software developer's side. This is where the AI learns and builds up its mental models. In this specific case, the AI is fed thousands upon thousands of images in order to teach it how to properly categorize them into, for example, food, landscape, people, and more. This is the most computationally intensive part, as the neural network has to learn in just a few minutes, at most hours, something that humans learn over years. Thank you for watching TECH.G.